Hello everyone. Today, I'll guide you on setting custom notification for Instagram on your phone or iPad. Let's dive in. First, you have to update your Instagram. To update your Instagram, start by opening the App Store and search for Instagram and update if there's any. To access your Instagram settings, launch Instagram. Tap on your profile at the bottom right. Click on the three lines on the top right. Then, navigate to Settings and Privacy. Head into Notification. Now, we will modify notification settings. Select Messages and enable all notification. Don't forget to enable other notification as per your preference. Lastly, turning on your notification sound. Exit Instagram. Then, go to your iPhone or iPad settings. Tap on Sound and Haptics. Select Text Tone. Here, you can set your desired notification tone for Instagram. And voila! Your Instagram notification sound is on. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye bye.